Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how I do my ombre lip. I've already made a TikTok a couple days ago about how I do my ombre lip. If you guys didn't see it, you guys can check it out. My name will be right here. But I made a TikTok on how I do my ombre lip, but I wanted to show my YouTube supporters how I do it. Now it may not be the same as your makeup guru or your MUA because I'm not either of those. I just am some girl who likes to play in makeup and, you know, likes the way she looks when she plays in it. So I recently learned how to do an ombre lip about a month and a half ago. And then ever since then, every time I do my makeup, that's what I do. I do an ombre lip. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my ombre lip. And if you guys wanna see, then let's just get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, I use the color, where is the color? Black brown. I know usually people use just brown or like a chestnut color or something like that, but I'm gonna use what I have around me. So yes, the color of my pencil, it's not even a pencil, it's this kind of thing, but the color is in black brown. I'm gonna take my mirror here, and that is what I am going to be looking inside of. Do you guys like my blue eyeshadow? I never do color this popping on my eyes. I'm not comfortable with it. I don't believe that I look right with it, but I feel like if I wear it more, then I'll like the way I look in it. So I did blue, something that'll complement my skin tone. Excuse me, the lighting is very bad in my dining room, so that does me no justice already. So anyways, what I like to do, and I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. What I like to do is first line my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I can't talk and line my lips at the same time, so. Okay, once I line my lips, I'm going to overline my lip, my top lip. Reason being is because I like the way it looks whenever I do my ombre lip. I like to overline just a little bit. Sorry, y'all. Anyways, I like to overline just a little bit, not overly dramatic. You guys will see. Once I overline my top lip, what I do is start making marks from the line. The reason I do that is so whenever I blend it in, if this makes any sense, whenever I blend it in, it'll give me that ombre effect. I hope I'm making sense, you guys. I'm not good at describing things. I am so sorry. And then once I do that, that is when I start blending it out. Now guys, it may look a mess right now, but I promise you, whenever I put my lippy on, this is the lippy that I'm using. Whenever I put the lippy on, it will look much better. So once I do that, I just, whatever that's called. And now what I am going to do, I do not apply the lippy all over my lip. What I do is I apply it in the center of my bottom lip, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna smear it in. What I'm gonna do is this. That's what I'm gonna do. The reason I'm not putting this all over my lips is because then it wouldn't give me that ombre effect, because then the lipstick will be covered the lipstick will be covering the entire lip, if that makes sense. But once you do that, and if you mess up your lip liner, you can easily go right back in and fix it. Literally. It's okay if you mess up. And if this is your first time doing it, or not even your first time, but if you're just new to doing ombre lip, it will not come out perfect. Now mind you, my ombre lip came out perfect before, like, and I was just like, oh my god, like that is bomb. But there are going to be days where it may not look perfect. It's called a bad makeup day. Like today, like I can definitely critique a couple things. Like I think my nose contour can look way better. My ombre lip for sure can look way better. I've never used this color. The ombre lip, my go-to ombre lip, it's a pinker color. So it's much lighter. So this brown will look way better on the other light pink. The pink complements the brown, and that's what will make my ombre lip look bomb. I've never used this color. This color is like a dark purple, and the dark purple is overpowering the dark brown. Mind you, I have a dark brown, so a dark lippy is going to, I don't know if I'm making sense. I don't want to sound like a maniac right now, okay? But I am done, you guys. My lip does not look the way it usually does because I used a totally different color, which is fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, last night I told myself, film a YouTube video today. Then later today, I convinced myself to change my mind, and then I took a nap. Mind you, we're all in the house. We can't do nothing. So I took a nap. I woke up and I was just like, you can't just do nothing all day. You're gonna freaking lose it. Like, you're gonna lose it. You have to do something. Film. I only put makeup on to film a video. I didn't even know what video to film until I got done with my makeup and decided I'm going to film a video on how I do my ombre lip. Just for it to not come out exactly how I wanted to. I'm so disappointed, but that is okay. You guys got the gist of how to do an ombre lip. You guys know how to do an ombre lip now. I explained it to you. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to, again, because of the color that I used was just too dark. Anyways, I'm done critiquing what I just did. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you guys hear my cat, he is meowing because I'm in here and he's very clingy. And it's just like, chill out now. I'm filming a video, chill out. Anyways, he's going crazy too. He's bored too. So we're all going crazy here, so I don't blame him. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. More videos are coming. We're in the house, we're not doing anything. You're not doing anything, so I know you're gonna watch this video. You're not doing anything, right? Right. So I'm gonna film for you guys because I'm not doing anything either. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn your bell on so you're notified every time that I upload. And I will see you guys in the next upload.